Blossom end rot is a common physiological disorder that affects various fruiting plants, such as tomatoes, peppers, and squash. This condition manifests as dark, sunken spots at the blossom end of the fruit, leading to its decay and rendering it inedible. To effectively combat blossom end rot, it is crucial to understand its causes, recognize its symptoms, and implement appropriate remedies. Blossom end rot is primarily caused by calcium deficiency in plants, although other factors contribute to its development. Calcium plays a vital role in cell wall formation, ensuring the structural integrity of plant tissues. Insufficient calcium availability can disrupt cell wall development, resulting in the characteristic symptoms of blossom end rot. Symptoms of blossom end rot typically appear as small, water-soaked lesions at the blossom end of the fruit, usually the side opposite the stem. These lesions gradually enlarge and darken, turning brown or black. As the affected area expands, the fruit tissue becomes leathery and may develop secondary infections. Calcium availability for plants can be influenced by several factors. Fluctuations in soil moisture levels can disrupt the uptake and transport of calcium to the developing fruit. Inconsistent watering practices, such as alternating periods of drought and excessive moisture, can contribute to calcium deficiency and increase the risk of blossom end rot. Maintaining consistent and adequate soil moisture is crucial to prevent blossom end rot. Regular watering, particularly during periods of dry weather, can help ensure a steady supply of calcium to the developing fruit. Mulching around the plants can also help retain soil moisture and regulate temperature fluctuations. Soil pH levels can impact calcium availability to plants. In acidic soils, calcium may become less accessible to plant roots. Conducting a soil test and adjusting the pH, if necessary, can help improve calcium uptake. Adding lime or dolomitic limestone can raise soil pH and increase calcium availability. Foliar applications of calcium can be used to address immediate calcium deficiencies in plants experiencing blossom end rot. Calcium chloride or calcium nitrate can be applied as a foliar spray, allowing plants to absorb calcium through their leaves. However, foliar applications provide temporary relief and are not a long-term solution. Preventing blossom end rot also involves maintaining overall plant health. Providing balanced nutrition, including adequate levels of potassium and magnesium, is crucial. Proper pruning and maintaining good airflow around plants can reduce moisture-related stress. Regular inspection of fruits and prompt removal of affected ones can also prevent the spread of blossom end rot. In conclusion, blossom end rot is a frustrating condition that affects fruiting plants, resulting from calcium deficiency and other contributing factors. Recognizing the symptoms and addressing the underlying causes are essential for effective management. Consistent watering practices, soil pH adjustment, foliar applications of calcium, and overall plant care can help prevent and minimize the impact of blossom end rot, ensuring healthy and bountiful harvests.